Hey sis, binigay lang sa akin ni Lord ang 1 Kings 2. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung sodomite, shulamite ba yun? Basta mite, shumite, solomite. Actually, ang na alala ko, yung sa Solomon, di ba meron yung Shulamite woman. So, binasa ko yung 1 Kings 2 and meron ngang Shunammite doon. And it's Abishag the Shunammite. So, di ba alam natin yung story about Adonaiah, yung story of the 2 kings, dalawang kings, yung na-anoint, si Adonaiah at saka si Solomon. Pero yung mas legal talaga is si Solomon. Now, spinner ni Solomon yung life ni Adonaiah na brother niya. Sabi niya napapatayin lang niya si Adonaiah if he will cause any harm or he destroys the peace of his kingdom. Tapos, ito yung dati hindi ko siya inisip ng malalim eh. Parang, ang scenario, ang scheme ni Adonaiah, pumunta siya kay Bathsheba. Tapos, he was asking one request to Bathsheba na iaabot ni Bathsheba kay Solomon. Sabi niya, can you please ask the king if I can marry Abishag the Shunammite? So, si Abishag the Shunammite kasi, siya yung nag-keep warm kay David before he died. So, sinabi na there was no sexual relationship between David and this woman. Para siyang low servant siya ng king. Actually, ang revelation sa akin ni Lord, naging hot compress siya ni David, which makes sense kasi the younger women are warmer than the older women. So, since they're warm, and back then, wala namang mga hot compress na desaksak or hindi pa nila naisipan siguro yung water bag. Plus, magastos yun. Wala sila nung rubber na lagayan para sa hot water. So, ang naisip nila would be an actual human that can keep itself warm 24 hours, diba? So, siya yung ginawang hot compress para kay David the whole time. Aside from that, she took care of the king as well. So, parang dati hindi ko siya inisip ng malalim. Pero parang tonight, trinay ko, Lord, ano bang meron sa Shunammite? Parang hindi ko gets. Kasi sabi naman ni Solomon, I will kill Adonaiah if he destroys the peace of the nation, peace of the kingdom. Pinatay nga ni Solomon si Adonaiah. So that only means na Adonaiah was trying to destroy the peace of his kingdom at nati-threaten yung kingdom. And ang sabi ni Solomon kay Bathsheba, it could have been better that he asked for the kingdom than to marry Abishag the Shunammite. Parang equivalent yung pakikipagkasal niya kay Abishag the Shunammite at yung pagkuha kay Solomon nung kingdom. So, parang kakulred, paano yun? Parang why is Abishag so important dun sa decision ni Solomon? I don't understand. And paano niya na-expose yung schemes ni Adonaiah na kunin yung position? Tapos, I was looking into sabi ko nga, Lord, I'm sorry, parang I don't understand. So, I will look at some commentaries. Pero na-lead naman ako sa tamang commentary kasi it's a Jewish article. And mukhang hindi naman siya corrupted. Kasi meron isang book ang Jewish people. They call it the Sanhedrin. So, on the 22nd, hindi ko alam kung book to o chapter ng Sanhedrin, nakasulat pala doon, sabi dito sa Jewish Virtual Library, sabi na, Sanhedrin 22a as to how the kings and something to do with royalty and order sa kingdom. Sabi sa Sanhedrin, it is only the king and not a commoner who is allowed to make use of the servants of the deceased king. So, Adoniah was trying to lift himself up from the situation. Kasi dati, na-recognize na siya as king and sobrang kahihiyan na nalipat nga sa brother niya yung title. So, he's trying to reclaim back his title as king. Na may scheme siya, parang secretly na to the point na hindi na-discern ni Bathsheba what he was up to, but Solomon was given the discernment regarding Adoniah. Kasi sabi dito, it is only the king and not a commoner who is allowed to make use of the servants of the deceased king. Diba, si Abishag, the Shunammite, is a servant of the deceased king, si King David. So, secretly, Adoniah was using this certain rule para kapag pinakasalan niya si Abishag, it's like secretly stealing the throne of Solomon. Kaya parang siya yung kikilalaning king dahil napasunod niya or nagamit niya yung mga servants ng dating king. So, agad to, na-expose agad kay Solomon to. And, yun, praise God kasi sa discernment ni Lord and wisdom through that situation. Wala lang. Akala ko kasi it's all about Abishag kasi baka kasi siya yung first wife. Alam mo, parang, what's up with Abishag? Ganun talaga ako. Pero yun pala yun. May rule kasi with regards the use of servants of the deceased king. Ayun, dagdag lang sa ating knowledge. You know, we're Bible geeks. Crazy for Jesus. Ayun.